Hello guys, this is DHW's Tests channel. Today Honor's new Smart TV review. Name Honor X1 Smart TV series launched in 3 sizes with 4K resolution. Honor's Smart Life product launch earlier today also saw the launch of the Honor X1 Smart TV in China. Honor made its first entrance into the Smart TV market last year with the launch of the Honor Smart Screen. The X1 is an entirely new series, and even though the specs are trimmed down, the TV still is an impressive one that will surely compete with Xiaomi's product line. The Honor X1 Smart TV series is available in 3 sizes: 50-inch, 55-inch, and 65-inch. It uses a 4K ultra-high-definition full-screen display with a 94% screen-to-body ratio. It also features 3D streamer narrow bezel, a large logo at the back, and texture design. The new Smart TV series is said to feature a comprehensive upgrade in audio and video. In terms of image quality, it supports a wide color gamut of 92% DCI-P3 and an AI Magic image quality engine. The Honor X1 Smart Screen series is equipped with the Honghu 818 Smart Chip, a quad-core 1.5 GHz processor which smoothly decodes 8K and 4K videos. The device is available in 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, but there may likely be other memory options. The Honor Vision X1 Smart TV is up for pre-orders in China, and the 55-inch model is priced at 2,299 Chinese renminbi yuan, roughly Rs 24,400. While the 65-inch model is priced at 3,299 Chinese renminbi yuan, roughly Rs 35,100. Let's look Honor X1 TV tear down. What the inside of TV.